Starting a newsletter doesn't have to be expensive, and in this video I'll show you the best newsletter tools you can use for free. Let's start with the best newsletter tool on the market. Beehiiv is a platform combining newsletter and blogging capabilities, focusing on helping creators grow and monetize their audience without technical complexity. The free plan allows up to 2,500 subscribers, which is more than enough to build an initial audience. Other positive points are the good SEO capabilities and the ability to use a custom domain. And as you publish more content, this should help you get discovered through search engines without taking a PhD in SEO. The free plan also includes API access, making it possible to create integrations with other tools. Creators can also benefit from Beehiiv's network effect by recommending other newsletters, helping each other grow together. The free tier also includes the option to turn your site into a mobile app, letting readers put the site on their phone without you, the creator, needing to build a mobile app. However, the free plan has significant limitations. The monetization options on Beehiiv are the standout features of the tool, and sadly, none of them are available on the free plan. Email automation and some website customization options are also reserved for paying users. Beehiiv is best suited for writers who want to combine their blog and newsletter in one platform, as well as publishers with multiple newsletters. Check my affiliate link and discount code in the description. If you already have an audience and are looking for monetization with a free plan, Kit is your tool. Kit's free plan is unique, allowing up to 10,000 subscribers. And the standout reason to use Kit is the ability to run a paid newsletter and sell digital products with just a free plan. Additional advantages include the ability to create one email sequence, one email automation, and access to their API, which lets you integrate Kit with pretty much any tool you like. On top of that, Kit also has pretty email templates, letting you send newsletters with style. However, Kit isn't perfect. My biggest complaint is with the creator profile. This looks like an attempt to fight Substack by making the newsletter available online, acting like a mini website. But the creator profile lacks so many SEO features that it reduces its usability for people to find you organically. Customization of the creator profile is also a subpar experience due to its limited customization options for a landing page tool. Kit also charges a small fee of your revenue, which isn't great, but at least it's not an outrageous amount, as we will see later in the video. Kit is best suited for creators focused only on newsletters, especially those with an existing blog or who don't care about having one. Subscribe. MailerLite is a tool with a similar motto to Kit. MailerLite's free plan allows up to 1,000 subscribers, and I like that the platform keeps advanced features like email automation available for everyone. The standout reason to use MailerLite is its customization options. MailerLite has a drag-and-drop editor that makes it super easy and fast to customize the page layout. The platform has email automation templates that help you interact with subscribers without having to do repetitive tasks. These automation templates include welcome emails, re-engagement campaigns, and other automated sequences that typically require a paid subscription on other platforms. On the negative side, newsletter templates and monetization options require a paid subscription on MailerLite. The platform also lacks SEO and blogging capabilities on its website too, making it a poor choice for creators looking to build an online presence with it. The sweet spot for MailerLite is serving creators who already have a blog using platforms like WordPress or Ghost. These creators can benefit from MailerLite's powerful newsletter features while keeping their existing sites. Sometimes we just want simple tools to do the job. Email Octopus is one of those tools, with a free plan allowing up to 2,500 subscribers, which is pretty generous. What I like about Email Octopus is that the platform has one focus and one goal: sending emails. Email Octopus doesn't have native monetization options, a recommendation system, or blogging capabilities. Sure, you can consider these big things missing on a tool, as some creators want them. I won't deny that. But I also have used tools that make me pay for something I don't use or overcomplicate what should be simple. And since Email Octopus doesn't try to do too many things, it doesn't suck or do them half-assed. At the time of recording this video, I'm using Email Octopus free plan as it plays well with Ghost. Email Octopus strong points include the ability to create 3 email sequences, which I'm using to send a welcome email, for example. Email Octopus also lets you create 3 landing pages or forms. You can put the forms on your blogging tool to collect emails or build a landing page similar to a link in bio for social media. And the free plan also grants you API access, so you can integrate Email Octopus with any tool you want. Email Octopus is best suited for creators who want a simple tool that is also cost-effective when it's time to upgrade to a paid plan. On the topic of simple tools, there is also FloDesk. FloDesk. This newsletter tool has a nice and calming vibe everywhere you look. Even their pricing is super simple and is based on features, not the number of subscribers. In the free plan, you are limited only by the number of daily emails sent. The main use case for FloDesk free plan is to be a landing page to collect subscribers. The free plan also gives you access to a list of popular integrations like Instagram and Shopify. Another thing I love about FloDesk is the templates. These are aesthetically pleasing and have the right mix of looking professional and personal. On the negative side, some of the best features of FloDesk are only available on the paid plans. I'm referring to email automation, API access so you can create custom integrations, and the monetization options. FloDesk looks like one of the best newsletter tools for lifestyle creators based on the vibe and tools available. If you want to use FloDesk, check my link in the description, which will also give you a discount if you upgrade to a paid plan. Now let's talk about one of the tools I roast the most, Substack. Despite my constant bashing of Substack, I respect it for being one of the easier tools for creators to publish online. Substack combines newsletters, blogging, and podcasting into one platform. The standout feature of Substack is their free forever plan. Creators can use Substack for free, no matter how many subscribers they have, and they only have to pay for Substack if they turn on memberships. On top of that, Substack has community features that few other platforms have. The community aspect makes Substack unique, and it is more than just a newsletter tool since it also has a Twitter clone called Notes. However, the problems with Substack appear when writers want more control over their content. Substack has its branding everywhere and customization sucks, making it hard to build a recognizable brand. Growing a newsletter on Substack is also difficult since it lacks email automation and integrations, for example. The websites using Substack also don't tend to rank well on search engines thanks to Substack's poor SEO features. And the biggest offense of them all is that Substack takes 10% of subscription revenue, which becomes expensive as your newsletter grows. However, Substack is still a great option for hobby writers who want to focus on building a community rather than monetization. Substack is also suited for creators who desire to publish different types of content, such as a newsletter, a blog, and a podcast all in one place. All the links shown in the video are in the description. If you have questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.